Hello, it's so great to see you. Today, I want to talk about the importance of scheduled one-on-ones with your team. So many times I see leaders make the mistake of thinking that just because I talk to my team frequently means I'm giving them the feedback and the direction and the attention that they need. And I find more often than not that what happens is when we are in constant contact with our team, we are actually communicating less than when we have a scheduled one-on-one. Now, why is that? It's because when you sit down for a scheduled one-on-one, you get into the frame of mind to think about what are the things that I need to go over with this person? What updates do I need to give them? What feedback do I need to provide? What do I need to ask for from them? And you cover all the bases of everything as a leader you need to be talking to them about. Whereas when you catch someone off guard by instant messaging them or sending them a quick email or picking up the phone and calling them, you're just talking about that one thing that happens to be on your mind at that moment. And you tend to forget the longer term, more strategic conversations that you need to have with them. So, my challenge to you is to make sure you have one-on-ones with all of your direct reports. They deserve that from you. They deserve that personal attention from you, just like you should be getting that from your leader. So if you don't have those scheduled at the moment, go work on it. Have your assistant work on putting them on the calendar and talk to your team on a regular basis in a more structured way. If you're already doing this, kudos. Double check your standing agenda to make sure that you're covering everything you need to and keep up the good work. I hope that this has been a helpful tip for you. Please do not hesitate to reach out if there's anything that I or the team can do to support you. Have a great day. Bye.